FEU capitalizing, and so we welcome you to set number 3 here. We're all tied up here in this rematch of the Season 87 Finals. Both teams have switched courts. Combination play.
Another combination play by Cacao.
That's 14 big points for Espartero. Not the best first pass. Chance ball. Cacao loves these. Espartero. IQ play. Better first pass. Ordiales finding the corner. 13 points. Absin. What a revelation.
So good.
Tough serve there by Between. What a set. Quickly. It's a high set. Easily read by Saavedra and Mendoza. 3 serving 6 here for Ordiales. Cacao. Espartero trying to roll it. Ancheta, they will counter here with Disquitado.
Good receive by Miko.
Steady.
Oh.
And that will be the result. Tough serve for Saavedra. Disquitado leaping. Sent back by the blockers. Reload by Disquitado. That is blocked once again. They will try Ordiales. Every door is shut. Good save there. Better first pass.
These are the spikers.
Espartero. 2-man wall for NU. Point number 11 for Drix Saavedra. Ancheta trying the middle. Obed Mokaba will convert.
This is third.
Sharp serve for Obed. Mendoza. You would think it was a little low, but
Yeah.
managed to score.
Lyric a little bit late in his approach, but it worked.
A 3-point lead for FEU. Ordiales easily picked up. From the pipe, Mendoza, they knew that was coming.
Yeah.
Tagibolos,
Yeah.
4 points and 3 blocks.
Good receive.
Combination for Ahmed Between. Cacao now with the full front line. What a set by Greg Ancheta. Cacao. Saavedra is denied. Cacao, back set, Drix. Great defense there for the Bulldogs. Between from the left pin, no entry. And we are tied at 11. Cacao to Absin.
Yep.
Back and forth we go.
Smart play. But
Action
Yeah.
in round number 1.
those are good numbers.
Ordiales. He just knew what to do with it. Nico Espartero. Eye to eye at the net.
Ooh.
Espartero.
Oh, wow. How the system just works.
If you're on fire, you're on fire no
Yeah.
matter what.
You can use whatever hand you want.
And Disquitado will choose the hands.
Ooh.
Service ace for Drix Saavedra. Mini run here. Saavedra continues to serve. Disquitado. Popped up by Venny.
Ooh, that's short.
Espartero short. And Mokaba was ready. Sharp serve, bump set. Mendoza could not reach it. Budin takes a step back. Between trying to save it. And Cacao falls to the ground. Hustle for FEU, but just not enough. As Buds Budin. High up. And a put down by Buds Budin. He is in. That's a perfect first pass. Saavedra from the back row. Ariel Cacao tied at 18. It is a race to 7. Budin using Cacao's hands to attack. Back with NU. Cacao sending it to Absin. And a service ace for Ahmed Between. And this is where we will get to witness the mental strength of both teams. The set by Ancheta. Ordiales for the lead. That's a good serve. Ceballos putting it up. Espartero from the left pin.
There's a touch on that one.
Good first ball. Discatano gets it back. Cross-court kill. 23 serving 24. Ancheta. Discatano for the finisher. Oh, check that.
Yes, he blocked.
Check that. Ancheta. Discatano is the go-to. Between was right there. Espartero with a